Hey everyone, check out this little beast, the Cooler Master NR200P. This small form factor case is seriously impressive. I was looking for something compact but powerful, and this thing delivers. First off, the flexibility is insane. It comes with both a tempered glass panel to show off your build and a vented steel panel if you prioritize airflow. I mean, how cool is that? Swapping them out is super easy too. And speaking of airflow, this case is designed for serious cooling. You can fit up to 7 fans in this tiny thing. Plus, it supports massive CPU coolers up to 155 millimeters tall and radiators up to 280 millimeters long. So, even if you've got some high-end components that run hot, you're covered. I was able to cram in a pretty beefy setup without any thermal throttling issues. Now let's talk GPUs. The NR200P supports triple-slot GPUs up to 330 millimeters long. And get this, it includes a PCI riser cable for vertical mounting, so you can show off your graphics card in all its glory. I went with the vertical mount, and it looks fantastic. Plus, it frees up some space inside the case. Building in this case was surprisingly easy. Everything is tool-free, which is a huge plus. You can easily remove all the external panels, including the tempered glass, just by pulling out a few pins. This makes it super simple to access your components for upgrades or maintenance. No more fiddling with screws. The build quality is also top-notch. The case is made of thick, powder-coated steel, so it feels really sturdy and durable. It's not going to get dented or scratched easily. And the attention to detail is impressive. Cooler Master really thought of everything with this case. There are even designated spots for mounting your liquid cooling pumps. One thing I particularly appreciate is the 360-degree accessibility. You can literally dismantle every panel and frame part, which makes building and working inside the case a breeze. No more contorting your hands to reach awkward spots. Overall, I'm blown away by the Cooler Master NR200P. It's a fantastic SFF case that offers incredible flexibility, excellent cooling potential, and top-tier build quality. If you're looking to build a powerful yet compact PC, I highly recommend checking this one out. It's definitely worth the investment. It's small, mighty, and perfect for showcasing your build. Let me know in the comments what you think.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.